Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how you gonna make the transparent text like this. Let's begin. First, create a new document. Now bring one image here. File, place embedded, and resize this image. Press OK. Now we have the one image, and now we need a text over it, and then we have to display the text like a transparent text. So click on the text and change the text color into, let's say, white. Okay, white. Okay, white is 2 3 4 5 6 6F is high. If it change into the RGB color, is 255 255 255. Okay, and write down the text here, park, and press it OK. Now Control T to resize the text, and hold the Alt button and make it bigger. And move this text in the middle with the move tool. And now through we have to make this text a transparent text so you can see the background. So what you do, click on here the fill, change the fill into 0%. Now you cannot see any text because it's changed into the fill is changed into the 0%. So double click on your text park and apply some shadow. When you put some shadow, you can able to visible the text here. So change the shadow to 100. Double click on it and change here the shadow. Change the shadow color into white. Okay, shadow distance, make it this much. Angle, distance, size, shadow size, let's increase to 10. Spread 2. And after you add the shadow, add some stroke. Yeah, when you add some stroke, you are more able to visible the part, and you can already see that the text is already transparent. So double click on your stroke and you can change the stroke size. Let's leave it 5 pixels. You can change the color of the stroke. So now leave it white. Blend more, change it into overlay. Where is the overlay? Here, overlay. And now change the gradient overlay. Check it. Click on it and change from black to white. And the color is overlay. And OK. Now you can see the text is transparent in your background. Again, double click it and you can change the gradient overlay to other directions. You can see whichever you like. And move this text it down. that's it. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.